Hi, here's an Emerson heat fan, where the bearings have gone bad very quick. I hook it up to a remote control and I go to low. Doesn't start. I had to push on high, then low. There you go. Let's try medium. Now let's try high. No signs of any bearing noise. But watch what happens when I turn off the fan. And it stopped too fast. So yeah, you can see the bearings got bad too quick. Also, look it up below date. Yep, April Fools! I connected a new wire to an opposite terminal capacitor where the black wire connects to. So that new wire connects directly to another windings. So it makes it run on different direction. And started on updraft high, and I reversed the video to make it look like it stopped fast. So I can ensure the bearings is still perfectly fine. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.